infographic. I received some feedback on my words that I had. I had originally had no pictures on this slide, and I had a few more bullet point questions, but some feedback that I received was that it was too confusing to understand without pictures or anything, so I made all of the bullet points as short and to the point as I could, and I added some pictures so then students or anyone that saw it could actually see what they were supposed to be answering with these questions. I also used to have arrows in between all of these bullet points, and then I had very few pictures, but I added pictures because I felt it helped draw away from all the words, and I also took the words that I had and shortened the sentences so it didn't seem like the students or the watchers or readers were being overwhelmed with words and other things. So my infographic was about mathematics and computational thinking, which is essentially just thinking outside of the box. And so some questions that people think about are, have you ever had a problem you couldn't solve, or have you as a student ever tried everything your teacher has told you but you couldn't understand how to solve it still, going off of what they said? So it's like solving an algorithm without knowing the back steps. So computational thinking with mathematics is math and science are both related with this because they're both observing and measuring, recording, and processing the data that you receive. And it's also finding new ways to solve the same problem, meaning using the computational thinking. Your own thinking is actually what this is all based on because you're using what you know and what you understand in order to find a way to solve the problem. Math and science, they use engineering to promote the logical thinking, and they complement each other because in both you have to use outside of the box thinking.